Hello everyone. Welcome to Magical Stocks channel, where we make trading stress-free. PSE index went up from 7,261.34 last January 14, 2022, to 7,293.52 this January 21, 2022. This performance is equivalent to a 0.44% increase in the index for the week. Our magical stocks, however, went down from 854.35k pesos to 854.06k pesos, or a minus 0.03% decrease in our investment. Overall, our magical stocks profit went down from 153.53k pesos to 153.25k pesos. We will update the conclusion of our second batch of magical stocks and the other two batches for this week's video. Before we proceed with our update, and if you are interested in investing using our magical stocks or monitoring our system's effectiveness, please like this channel, subscribe and hit the notification button to keep you updated weekly. We already concluded the second batch of our investment. When we invested it last January 2021, we bought a total of 189,612.71 pesos for the 5 stocks. The total profit is around 63,435.65 pesos after 1 year. This is equivalent to 33.46%, which is above our target of 30%. We are also successful in investing in our second batch of magical stocks. Here is the history of the 5 stocks. Our first stock is MPI. We bought 8,000 shares last January 18, 2021, at 4.36 pesos per share. We received a dividend payment of 795.6 pesos. We sold the stock last January 21, 2022, at 3.87 pesos per share. The total profit in this stock is minus 3,504.38 pesos, or a minus 10.02% loss. We are not successful in this stock. Our second stock is AEV. We bought 900 shares last January 19, 2021, at 45.45 pesos per share. We received a dividend payment of 737.1 pesos. We sold the stock last January 12, 2022, at 59.5 pesos per share. The total profit in this stock is 12,782.16 pesos, or a 31.16% profit. We are successful in this stock. Our third stock is TEL. We bought 30 shares last January 20, 2021, at 1,431 pesos per share. We received a dividend payment of 2,214 pesos. We sold the stock last January 13, 2022, at 1,901 pesos per share. The total profit in this stock is 15,676.92 pesos, or a 36.41% profit. We are successful in this stock. Our fourth stock is AP. We bought 1,400 shares last January 20, 2021, at 26.1 pesos per share. We received a dividend payment of 1,071 pesos. We sold the stock last January 12, 2022, at 31.05 pesos per share. The total profit in this stock is 7,504.15 pesos, or a 20.48% profit. We missed the 30% profit target. Our fifth stock is SCC. We bought 2,500 shares last January 18, 2021, at 13.52 pesos per share. We received a dividend payment of 2,812 pesos. We sold the stock last October 8, 2021, at 25.05 pesos per share. The total profit in this stock is 30,976.8 pesos, or a 91.38% profit. We are successful in this stock. For the remaining magical stocks with actual buying, here is the worksheet for our 2 batches of magical stocks. Our top performer is AP gaining 7.61%, while the least performer is GT Cap losing minus 1.77%. We still don't have any sell signal for our magical stocks. We already sold our first batch and we were successful by earning 32.78%, which is above our target of 30%. We also already sold our second batch and we were successful by earning 33.46%, which is above our target of 30%. Our third batch is below the market with a gap of minus 1.58% this January 21, 2022, coming from minus 1.5% last January 14, 2022. Our fourth batch is above the market with a gap of 14.5% this January 21, 2022, coming from 14.99% last January 14, 2022. To summarize our investment, the first batch was sold and earned 49,630.94 pesos. The second batch was sold and earned 63,435.65 pesos. The third batch is gaining by 12.11%, coming from 11.68%. The fourth batch is gaining by 19.99%, coming from 20.01%. Overall, with an investment of 700.82k pesos, our investment's current value is 854.06k pesos, equivalent to 21.87% coming from 21.91%. We have profited in our first batch, also profited in our second batch, a gaining third batch and a gaining fourth batch. That will be all for the Magical Stocks update this week. Thank you for watching. Next week, we will continue updating the other 2 batches of Magical Stocks and the other 6 experimental stocks. Quote, I know where I'm getting out before I get in. Unquote. Bruce Kovner. See you in the following video, have a great day ahead.